Everything starts from an idea. Sometimes ideas come randomly in random time. If you do not save your idea in written form, maybe you will lose your idea in near future. In my case, when an idea comes in my mind, I write that idea in a mind mapping tool. It doesn't matter for me whatever the idea it is. It may be big, it may be small, or it may sound silly. I just write that idea and put it in a mind mapping tool so that I can visualize all my ideas in one place, and it is really helpful to determine my next project based on all those ideas. There are many mind mapping tools. Personally, I like SimpleMind Map Pro. I use the Pro version. They have a free version as well. I use that Mind Map Pro tool in my Mac desktop, in my iPhone, and in my Android. So whenever any idea comes in my mind, I just put that idea on the mind mapping tool, so I can easily access and update my ideas from everywhere, from every device I use. So let me show you how to use SimpleMind Map tool to create an idea and to visualize some ideas. So when you open your SimpleMind Map application in your desktop, you will get a similar interface, and when you create a new document, you will see a first node. So this is the root node. So normally when I want to create an idea, I just give the root node as ideas. So suppose I get an idea about creating a new app, suppose a to-do application, then I just write that in here. And then sometimes I want to add some more feature on that application. So suppose I want to create an web app based to-do application, so I will create an feature here, web. Maybe I will create a how I make it. Maybe I want to use React, so I will write the React. So I want to make a to-do app that have a web version with React. Then recently I developed a to-do application using Flutter, so I also write that idea in my ideas section. So mobile version using Flutter. So this is my idea. So suppose I got some other app idea, like creating a birthday app, or suppose creating a notes app, or creating a bank money type app, money or bank app. So this is how I save my idea. Sometimes when based on an idea I need some more information which may help me to visualize that, I just create a note from here. And basically most of the mind map tool, I use some other mind map tools as well. I found that the interface and the features are almost same. So if you know one mind map tool, you can easily use other mind map tools. And here in this application I also select different type of theme, like you see they give some more themes, but personally I like the color theme, which really helps me to visualize my ideas. So I hope that this demonstration will help you to understand any mind mapping tool if you like to use for your ideas. Your idea may be small, may be big, or may sound silly, but if you do not save your idea in written form, I am damn sure sooner or later maybe you will forget your idea. So I highly recommend you, if you want to do something different, something creative, whatever idea, whenever comes to your mind, you should write that idea immediately in any place. It's better to use a mind mapping tool because sometimes ideas come randomly, and when you visualize all your ideas in one place, it will be really helpful for you to select a particular idea and working on that idea. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.